Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the top 5 best dash cam of 2022. Let's get started. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Dash Cam Compact 2 is the greatest mini dash cam mirror available. It is highly adaptable with a 140-degree HDR enhanced field of vision for clear detail day or night, and it's small enough to not obstruct your windshield. Though the Mini 2 is around the size of a typical key fob, don't be deceived by its diminutive frame. It has all the safety features you would expect, like parking assistance and crash detection. And if an event is detected, the Mini 2 will save a video to the online Garmin Vault. As an alternative, the Mini 2's Live View feature will allow you to monitor your car when you're away from it using your smartphone. Anywhere on your windshield can serve as a mount, thanks to a little sticky pod. Even if your car only has one power outlet, you can charge your phone while the Mini 2 records thanks to the camera's dual USB charger. As there is no display on the camera itself, you can adjust all of the Mini 2 settings using the Garmin driving app. You may store video, take a still photo, load a live feed, or send recorded films to the Garmin Vault using this attractively designed and simple-to-use software. With a 140-degree lens, the video is shot in full HD with good image clarity and balanced color, and it performs admirably, even in dim lighting. Even with music playing at a moderate volume, the built-in mic performs a decent job of picking up sounds and can understand your voice commands. The Garmin Mini 2 Dashcam is a great option for you if you're searching for a very small dashcam with an excellent feature set. Once installed, it won't get in the way and is simple to set up. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. With the extra wide shooting angles of the Garmin Dash Cam 67W, you can catch more details of the road ahead and around you, including things of the side and road signs. This dashcam is small enough to place behind your rear view mirror and has a stealthy black plastic casing. When mounted, its design makes it virtually undetected. The wide-angle 180-degree lens captures images in 1440p with HDR support, giving you enhanced clarity in low light. When it comes to interacting with the 67W, you have a few alternatives. You can use the Garmin Drive app, the side-mounted buttons on the body of the camera, or voice command. The camera works with a built-in G sensor to save footage when any form of impact occurred while recording in loop mode. Videos can be automatically uploaded over Wi-Fi to the safe Garmin Vault to be viewed later or saved to the 16GB micro SD card that comes with the device. These safety features are effective and make full use of the 2-inch display, turning it red to warn of a forward collision, yellow to warn of lane drifting, and sounding an alert when you don't realize the car in front of you has started moving. The 67W also has a parking mode, although it requires hand wiring. Parking mode, when properly configured, will continue to monitor your unattended car and begin recording when motion is sensed. The Garmin Dashcam 67W is a terrific option for you if you're searching for a small dash camera that can record wide-angle video and has a nice selection of safety features. Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a dual dash cam that can record both on-road and inside activity, making it the perfect choice for rideshare drivers. Using a suction cup mount, the N2 Pro mounts to your windshield without blocking your vision. The cameras on it record in full HD, and it includes a 1.5-inch LCD display. The primary lens facing the inside is backed up with an array of infrared LED lights up the interior during filming, so you'll always get a good footage whether it's during the day or at night. The front lens takes good imagery in low light circumstances. 2 distinct files are created with the footage from each camera. Finding the tape from a certain incident will therefore be considerably simpler if you need to go back. Additionally, you have the chance to turn off the interior camera to record in 1080p at 60 frames per second or 2.5K at 30 frames per second with greater resolution. You can activate the parking mode on the N2 Pro when you park your vehicle and leave it alone. When enabled, the front and interior cameras will be activated by movement and begin recording immediately. But to achieve this, you'll need to give a steady power source source, which you can do by hardwiring the dashcam to your car's power supply or using an external battery bank. The dual camera system on the Vantrue N2 Pro is an excellent option for ride-share drivers because it gives you the chance to record argumentative passengers or disagreements and can help you avoid being found at fault by allowing you to show that you weren't using your phone when you were pulled over. THINKWARE U1000 Dual Dash Cam. The THINKWARE U1000 takes the dual cam system comparable to the Vantrue N2 Pro and increases the resolution if you want the greatest dual dash cam. The U1000 has a ton of features and a sleek, clean design that, once installed, makes it look like factory equipment. The U1000 offers exceptional night vision technology and delivers a clear 4K video. Even in parking lots that are poorly lit or on dark roadways, you may get excellent low-light movies. Both the front and back cameras of your car record what is happening in front of you, as well as what is happening inside. Therefore, it is a useful tool for ride-share drivers, much like the Vantrue N2 Pro. A 150-degree wide-angle lens and 8.42 megapixel Sony sensor are used in the front-facing camera to reduce blind spots and capture more of the road. The rear camera has a 5.1 megapixel Sony sensor, a 156-degree field of vision, and records in 2K. The U1000 has a conventionally accessible micro SD card port on the side where you can save recordings. A 32 GB cord is also provided. The U1000 is designed to look like it came with your automobile out of the factory. A 12-volt connection is provided for hand wiring to your vehicle's electrical system, and the front camera mounts to your windshield using 3M tape. The control panel has indications for GPS and Wi-Fi, as well as buttons for power, Wi-Fi, and the microphone. Additionally, there is a manual record button to start on-the-spot recording, and because this dashcam is hardwired, parking mode can be used without a separate power source. When parking mode is on, the U1000 detects motion and begins recording to catch any prospective burglaries or theft attempt. Red light and speed cameras are also picked up. The THINKWARE U1000 is a great option if you're seeking the best 4K dual dashcam, especially if you drive for ride-sharing services. You will also receive all the regular functions such as parking mode, G-sensor, and even red light and speed camera recognition, in addition to wide-angle, high-resolution recording and after installation. The camera seems as though it was just fitted. Verratek DC1000. Verratek's DC1000 dashcam system has two cameras. However, it combines the front-facing camera with the ease of backup camera, rather than keeping an eye on the front and interior of your car. It also strikes a decent mix between cost and functionality. While the backup camera installs near the license plate, the front-facing camera has a metal body shell and attaches magnetically to your windshield. The front-facing camera is powered by the cigarette lighter or another power source in the car, and the back camera is powered by one of the reverse light terminals due to the inconsistent use. Thus, it only works when the car is in reverse. And the package is all the cabling required to connect the two cameras. The front-facing camera has a 150-degree wide-angle lens with a sensor that records 2K video, while the back camera records in full HD. It also includes a 3.16-inch color LCD touchscreen. Cards with capacities ranging from 8 to 128 gigabytes are supported, and recorded video is written to a micro SD card that you supply. Additionally, the DC1000 offers parking mode with a continuous power supply and supports G-sensors like the majority of dash cameras. Most customers seeing an economical dash cam system that would record both the front and the back of their car will find the Verratek DC1000 to be a good option. Everything you need for installation is provided in the package, and it is comparatively simple. Simply insert a micro SD card. So which of the dash cams amazes you the most? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.